All right, let's jump straight in and totally redefine how we think about getting a good night's rest.
We all know the struggle. You log a solid 8 hours, but still wake up feeling completely exhausted.
Meanwhile, your friend sleeps just 5 hours and feels amazing, right? Well, psychology explains exactly why.
Here's the secret. Your brain literally doesn't care about total hours. It's actually just counting sleep cycles.
So instead of a straight clock, your brain runs on distinct cycles lasting exactly 90 minutes each.
These blocks perfectly balance physical body repair and deep sleep with crucial emotional processing during REM.
But if blue light, caffeine, or stress messes with this, you get what's called fragmented sleep.
Your body might physically be in bed, but an uninterrupted mind never hits those deep recovery stages.
The fix? You've got to train your circadian rhythm using a super consistent sleep and wake schedule.
Going to bed at the exact same time teaches your brain to naturally release melatonin on cue.
Ever wonder why you wake up feeling like a zombie? That's sleep inertia, caused by waking mid-cycle. To beat this, use the 90-minute rule. Set your alarm to go off right at a block's end. But first, practice cognitive offloading. Giving your brain a really clear signal to slow down.
Psychologists swear by the 3-2-1 power down rule. It perfectly preps your nervous system for actual deep rest. Ditching those screens physically shifts your brain from hyperactive beta waves into nice, super relaxed alpha waves.
Fast forward to morning. Surprisingly, how you handle those very first 10 minutes completely dictates your day.
Seriously, skip the phone. Grab some morning sunlight immediately to naturally boost your serotonin. No caffeine needed. Toss in some cold water or quick movement, and boom, your nervous system instantly clears that morning fog.
Look, treating sleep like a lazy habit just leads to burnout. It's literally your ultimate performance enhancer.
So now that you know the real science, are you going to keep counting hours or start sleeping smarter?